Concerns this evening about the number of road crashes taking place during curfew hours. This comes after Friday night's crash, which killed 4 people along Marcus Garvey Drive near Industrial Terrace, Kingston. This crash along Marcus Garvey Drive took place minutes to midnight on Friday during curfew hours. It claimed the lives of 4 people. It reported that the 16-year-old driver of the silver Honda Accord lost control of the vehicle, which collided in a utility pole and a fence. For the Vice President of the National Road Safety Council, Dr. Lucian Jones, too many crashes are taking place during curfew hours.
We have good data coming out of the MONA geoinformatic system that last year and this year, a significant number of crashes, fatal crashes, occurred after the curfew hour. You have 2 things coming together. One is disobeying the law as far as the COVID-19 protocols are concerned. And secondly, in respect of some of the causes of the crashes, especially speeding, people breaking the speed limit and driving carelessly.
Dr. Jones says an urgent intervention is needed to reduce the number of road fatalities.
Coming against what happened 2 weeks ago when 5 died, it's just horrendous. And we just need to get some very urgent action. And in fact, as we speak, yesterday, 3 more persons died. 2 motorcyclists, 1 a young man, and a pedestrian died. So we're up to 139 deaths now.
Last year, this time, 136 people were killed on the roads. In April this year, 35 people have so far died in road crashes. In the meantime, there is also concern about the number of crashes on highways. The annual report of the National Road Operating and Constructing Company, NROC, revealed that there were 266 crashes on the east-west section of the highway during 2019-2020, an increase of 41 over the previous year.
It's a way that you can measure average speed over distance. So when you enter, for example, at the vineyards and you exit at the Maypen toll, if you put up a camera at the vineyards and a camera at Maypen, between those 2 toll booths, if you're traveling within the speed limit, it will take you X amount of time. If you wish there less than that, that means you're speeding. It's as simple as that. And therefore, we are in discussion between the NWA and the police to try and see how we can institute that particular feature.